Welcome back. It's great to have you here. I hate the title of today's session. I really hate the title of today's Dave Lorenzo Daily because it is so negative. I don't want you focused on what's going wrong with the world. I don't want you focused on what's going wrong with the economy. I want you focused on what you can do to take back control of your career, your money, and your future. At the end of this video, I'm going to offer you a fantastic bonus tip that will help you catapult your sales to the next level, that will help you dominate your industry. So be sure and stay with me all the way to the end of the video. It doesn't matter what the economy does. You have the power, you have the capability to be one of the success stories of all time, regardless of the economy. All right, that's tip number one for selling in a recession, how to get through a recession, how to survive a recession, and sell like a champ. You can make a difference in the lives of other people. You can make a difference in the business of people with whom you work, and that's the thing to keep in the front of your mind. Everything today is negative. The news is negative. Everything you see on the internet is negative. The economic data is negative. Things seem like there is no hope. So you're selling hope. Rule number one in selling through a recession is you have to be positive. It may be tough. You may get up in the morning and you may think to yourself, what am I going to do? But you can't carry that with you. People want to be around people who give them hope. So rule number one, be positive. Rule number two, help other people succeed. You want money in your life, you got to help bring money into the lives of other people. I want you focused on calling 10 people today. Call 10 people today, find out who their ideal client is, and then help them attract their ideal client. Find 10 people today, help them attract their ideal client, introduce them to their ideal client, and your business will grow. In fact, if you want to do something that is really powerful, get 3 or 4 of your clients together and invite them to breakfast. Go to a nice breakfast in a quiet restaurant and then have them talk to each other about how you can help them and how they can help each other grow. Don't talk about what you're going to get paid. Don't talk about money at all. Call it a business support group. Call it a mastermind group. Call it whatever you want. When you get people helping other people, and when you help other people, people feel good. When people feel good, they buy. Here's the important thing to remember about the economy. There's always money out there. Money is out there and it's in motion. You need to put yourself in the path of the money that's in motion. I don't care how bad the economy is. People are out there spending money. What I want people talking about is you. I want them talking about how they want to spend time with you because you're positive. I want to have them talking about how you are always looking out for them because they're going to want to be around you, and when they want to be around you, they're going to invest their money in you. All right. Rule number 3 in recession survival and sales, make the money come to you. Start educating people on whatever it is you're an expert in. Here I am delivering video content to you for free. Other people are out there charging for their sales courses. They're out there charging for information just like this. Why am I giving it away for free? Because I'm thinking long-term. I want a long-term relationship with you. You got to think about long-term relationships with your clients. Here's what will happen. Your client will share the fact that you're delivering this great value to them, and they're going to spread the word. So if you sell insurance and you're finding it difficult now because people don't think they have the extra money to spend, what I want you to do is I want you to do videos like this promoting other people's businesses. And I want you to share those videos with everybody you know. Why are you doing it? Because when you share a video promoting someone else's business, they're going to spread the word that you're a great person. And when they look you up, what are they going to find? They're going to find that you sell insurance, and they're going to think to themselves, you know what, I could use a little extra insurance. I'll buy from him. Money is out there, and by getting other people to promote you, you get the money to come to you. So when you make a video promoting someone else's business, promoting someone else's product, promoting someone else's service, they will share that video. And when they share that video, they're going to look at the person in the video and they're going to go, this guy's a good person, I wonder what he does. And that person will look you up, they'll read more of your educational content, and they'll find out what you do. And guess what? People with money will find out what you do and the money will come to you. That's rule number 3, make the money come to you. Rule number 4, for selling in a recession, you have to be in motion constantly. It is very easy to sit on your couch and let the negativity, the negative news just wash all over you. You can't do that. When times get tough, when the economy gets tough, I want you out in the world talking to as many people as possible. If you sell over the phone normally, I want you to take 2 days a week and get out of your office and go talk to people who would normally be your ideal clients. And I want you to be positive. I want you to talk to them about their business. I want you to help them get clients in their business. I want you to be positive. The key is always being in motion. If you're out and about, if you're out in the world talking to people, if people see your face, you will be more likely to be connected with people who have money and can do business with you. Motion beats meditation. Get out in the world, get off the couch at least a couple of days a week, start connecting with people. The fifth and final step to sales success during a recession, to getting more business during a recession, is constant communication. If you're sending out a monthly newsletter, now you got to send out a weekly newsletter. If you're sending out a weekly newsletter, you got to send out a daily newsletter. Your message needs to be positive and upbeat. You need to communicate with your clients and your referral sources as frequently as possible, and you need to be positive. Here's why. Everyone else is negative. The positivity will make you attractive. We talked about that in the beginning of our time together today. The second thing is people need to know you're there for them. If they feel like they're all alone, they're going to get depressed. If they feel like they got a friend, they feel like they got a pal, if they feel like somebody's there and available for them, they're more likely to call you. And if they're likely to call you, they're likely to refer you business or likely to do business with you. Frequency of communication is critical. Now, here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for. The bonus tip you've been waiting for is this is the perfect time to invest in growth and invest in your personal development. No matter what happens, you are going to get through this time because you're dedicated to making things work. You're dedicated to success. How do I know that? Because you're here with me now. What I want you to do is I want you to think about what your business is going to look like when the economy picks up and things are growing at 4-5% a year. When the economy picks up, what's going to be the thing that you focus on to catapult your growth? And I want you to lay the foundation for that now. One of the best ways you can do this is by listening and watching educational programs. Now, I appreciate that you're here with me. I'm here every day at 5 p.m. I want you to subscribe so that you become a member of our community and we can stay in touch. Thank you for being here and stay with me. This is great, but I also want you to figure out where your market is going so that you can be in that place when the economy starts to pick up again. What's the next big thing in your business? What's the next big thing in your industry? Spend 15 minutes every day thinking about that and start educating yourself on that so you can be in a position to take advantage of it. That's your bonus tip. Thanks for staying with me. If you're ready to grow even more, be sure and watch this video right now. This is a video that will help you not only motivate you, but get you all fired up to go out and make today your best day ever. Until tomorrow, I'm Dave Lorenzo. Here's hoping you do this and sell more.